So let me go put you down. The lighting is always so good in here, but this is Valentino's spot. And every time I move the pillows, which even then, that's what we're gonna do next. We're gonna clean the sofas. I gotta vacuum them. There's always hair. Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. If you're new, hi, welcome. My name is David, and we do a lot of plenty of content here. So if you seem to enjoy that, consider tapping the subscribe button down below. I feel like I shouldn't say I'm not gonna do what you want. I'm not gonna make you do stuff. But first thing first was iced coffee, and today, as I can see, we're gonna do some plant chores, dealing with mealybugs, spraying some of my houseplants with neem oil, and how I do my neem oil mixture. I also have it linked down below. I'll try not to forget. As well, we're gonna go and water some plants and water the balcony plants as well. So I'm really excited. It's something like a little bit different, and when I mean different, I mean it's gonna be a lot of editing, and I hate editing. I love, going plant shopping, and that's basically it. That's my biggest favorite things to do on the channel. But I don't have my vehicle right now, and at the same time, I'm trying not to waste too much money. As you saw, I do have a great value bread. Girl, money is tight right now. Money is tight, and gas is expensive for me. And girl, the cats. Okay, let's get started. Alrighty, you guys. So I'm currently filling up the tub. And I'm gonna go and spray with neem oil. And then fill in the other tub in the other restroom and bottom water a lot of plants because they're super thirsty. So yeah. Alrighty, guys, and here's our other restroom. Yeah, girl. We got the spider plant, the Cerezo Tropicana, potos, my beautiful miniature. She's getting so big, you guys. Look at this new leaf. And it's putting out new ones too. So I always rinse them off to like remove the dust and other kind of stuff, and then I fill up a tub. And then right now I'm gonna go with the neem mixture to like shine the leaves, as well. Like it's a preventative as well. So I'm gonna make sure not to let it bottom water. Usually I like let it bottom water for like overnight, but I'm only gonna do it for like 2 hours max. That should be plenty of, you know, enough time for them to absorb enough water. And yeah, and then we have the poto, like I said, bird's nest fern, the micans, aglaumenia, and the corn plants. Super duper excited, y'all. I love it. Yay! And when I said I love it, I mean like I love that I'm doing some plant chores because I've been so behind. Alrighty, so I just finished spraying the neem oil on the house plants. They're gonna look nice and shiny, as well in here too. Oh yeah. And outside. I also just finished watering the plants. And lastly, in the plants room, I sprayed because there was just like way too, oh, look at that. There was just way too much mixture, but it's fine. Pretty. And the shelves. Alright, my friends, that is basically it for today. I'm gonna go and clean the apartment as usual and do a little bit more plant chores, but I'm gonna wrap the video up. I hope it was like satisfying. I kid you not, like when I was watering the plants on the tub. In other words, like the beginning that you guys saw, I filmed it in one day and everything was going nice. And then I got really busy and I couldn't film like me watering the plants in the tub and spraying the neem oil, which I just did right now, after like 3 days later. So I'm happy, you know. I know you guys saw in the beginning of the video like the apartment was clean, but it's 3 days later, so it's dirty again. It's perfect. I mean, it's a house, it gets used, so yeah. But that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up to let me know. Send positive vibes to each and every one of you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.